curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. As the sun goes down and we get ready for bed, a whole new world is just waking up. But who are these creatures of the night? Most animals, like squirrels, are active during the day. They're called diurnal, but night explorers are called nocturnal. To navigate the dark, nocturnal animals have superpowers. Orion's giant eyes can soak up every last bit of moonlight, helping him see things we can't. Other animals, like the fennec fox, have supersized ears. They can hear the tiniest rustle of a bug hiding under the sand from far away. And bats use a skill called echolocation. They send out sound waves and listen for the echoes to create a map of their world in complete darkness. So why come out at night? Well, there's less competition. At night, this watering hole is quiet, giving nocturnal animals a chance to eat and drink in peace. The darkness also provides perfect camouflage. It's much easier for predators to sneak up on their prey without being seen. In hot places like the desert, being nocturnal helps animals avoid the blistering sun and stay cool by only coming out at night. So who else is a night explorer? You might find a skunk shuffling through your backyard looking for grubs and berries. Or a shy hedgehog using its sense of smell to find tasty insects to eat while everyone else is asleep. And don't forget the sky. Many moths are nocturnal, attracted to the light of the moon, and sometimes curious fireflies. Some nocturnal animals, like me, create our own light. We use our flashes to talk to each other and find friends in the dark. But bright city lights can make it tough for nocturnal animals. It can confuse them and make it hard to hunt or find their way. So whether it's super eyes, amazing ears, or seeing with sound, nocturnal animals are perfectly designed for the dark. As the sun rises, the night explorers go to rest, and the day animals wake up. The world is always full of amazing creatures, day and night. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.